Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing the first modification to the C180. We're going to be installing a front splitter. So I purchased a carbon fiber front splitter. It came before the car. We have had it, been waiting for a while. I'm just going to walk you through the steps that we're going to be using to install this front splitter on the car. So let me show you what we're going to be needing. Alright, so for this installation, we're going to be using some screws. You can either use the longer ones or those short ones that I have right here. You're going to need a tape, some alcohol. Perforated alcohol is better, but any type of alcohol can do. Double-sided tape. I'm going to be using a drill for this one, but you can use a screwdriver. I'm just a bit lazy. Okay, so this part is optional. I'd use double-sided tape, but the screws can hold it to the frame of the car. But I like using double-sided tape because it assists with the mounting procedure. Alright, so this is how the double-sided tape will look when you put it on the splitter. Alright, so the next step we're going to be doing now, we're going to be pre-boring some holes on the rear of the splitter so we can get the screws inside of the main section. So to do that, we turn it on the rear, and then I'm going to use my drill now to pre-bore some holes on the splitter. Yeah, look like I need a longer bit, so let's complete this task.
Something, throw it down and make me chase it. I'm not waiting, you're next. it goes like this. I want it, you want it, yeah. You caught the vibe, I brought it, yeah. I want it, you want it, yeah. You caught the vibe, and I brought it. You're catching the vibe, and I brought it your way.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that little content how to install the front splitter. Alright, this can go for any of the Mercedes, but you have to ensure that you get the one with the correct fitting depending on what version of the C-Class you may own. Alright guys, just remember to subscribe to the channel, and for future content just hit that notification bell. Please like, subscribe and share this video.